Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a super simple and yummy grilled pineapple recipe with you all, which I made in the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can make this in pan, oven or in a regular grill. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make grilled pineapple in the air fryer. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. Cut the pineapples into thick slices. I have taken 5 to 6 pieces. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar of your choice. I'm using the brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. If you want, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder as well. Mix it well. Let the pineapple marinate for 10 minutes. Keep it aside. Preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. Mine preheats itself, so I'm just selecting the time as 10 minutes. I'm using the silicone mat to avoid a mess around, and also it protects my air fryer glass door. I have given the link for this silicone mat in the description box below. If you need one, please do check it. Arrange the pineapple slices. Don't overcrowd it. Once the preheating is done, keep the tray inside on the top row. Let it cook. You can enjoy this grilled pineapple as it is or enjoy it with the ice cream or whipped cream. Flip the pineapples in between. Keep the tray inside and cook it for the remaining time. It's done. If you want more brown color, roast it for another 2 minutes or as you desire. Enjoy this air fried grilled pineapple. So yum! I love the grilled pineapple as it is. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!